my name is Julius Gebhard, and I'm going to be demonstrating Tulix Systems Cloud Playout system. Now what this system does is it lets you create a linear 24/7 channel just from recorded videos. So if you've got archived videos, any sort of video content, this is going to let you upload it to our system and create a 24/7 channel, just like CNN or any other type of channel, just from those recorded archived videos using a scheduling slash playlist system. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into this system. Now every customer of ours has a similar control panel to this where they're going to upload their videos, where they're going to create a schedule, and also going to be able to play back that live linear stream and be able to view it. So the first thing that you see when you're signing onto the system is a player that's going to play that channel to you. Now if you hover over that player, what you're going to see is it looks just like any other live stream, right? There's no progress bar over here. You can't skip to any point of it. This isn't a video on demand system. This isn't a playlist system, so it's not playing a file and then skipping to another file in a sense where the viewer has any sort of control over it. To them, this looks like just any other television channel. On the back end, of course, this is getting created by different videos that we're uploading to the system. So I'm going to show you how that works. The first step is typically over here in this View Upload Videos section. Now if you click on this, you're going to be able to see a bunch of different folders and files that we've already uploaded. If you want to upload your own or manage these folders, there's two ways of doing that. One is through this web client that you see right here. And as you saw at the top, there's a little upload file button. Now the other way, and if you want to manage folders or upload multiple files at once, it would be to use an FTP client like FileZilla, which we recommend, in which case you would just use these server parameters over here to sign into the FTP server and manage your files. But the simplest way tends to be with this upload file button, and if we click on it, you'll notice what that's going to pull up is just a typical window of all of your files and folders on your computer, and you're going to be able to select what you want to upload. Once that upload process completes, you're going to see that video in your list of videos, and if we scroll down here, you're going to see all of the different videos we've uploaded to the system. Now if you click on one, or click on the file you most recently uploaded, you're going to be able to test it, make sure that it works. So once you click on it, you should be able to see a streaming video of that in this player. You're going to be able to skip through it. You're going to basically see this as a video on demand file. And if you really wanted to, you could also embed this as a pure VOD file using one of these codes below here. But what we really want to do, and what the core strength of the system is to create that 24/7 linear stream. So we're going to go back up here and we're going to go into the playlist manager section. Now once you've uploaded all your videos, now what you want to do is you want to start creating a schedule. The way you do that is you're going to see all of your different playlists over here. Now we've got this sorted by the different days of the week, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. In theory, we can do this as far out as you want. We can go 30 days, a whole year if you really wanted to schedule out that far. Or you could use a different sort of management system where you're not scheduling by day of the week. But this tends to be the default for our customers. Now if you click on the Manage button, this is how you're actually going to create your playlist. So if we want to plan ahead, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select all of the videos that we want to appear in our playlist. Now don't worry yet about duplicating a video. Sometimes there's an advertisement, something like that you want to use multiple times. You don't have to upload that multiple times with this system. You just upload it once, and then on the next screen I'm going to show you how to duplicate that. So what we're going to do over here is we're just going to select different videos. And this looks just exactly like that upload video section that I showed you earlier. But we're going to select the check marks next to all of the videos that we want to appear in this playlist. And towards the bottom of the screen, you're going to see the exact amount of time those videos take up. Now typically you're going to want to create a 24-hour playlist because it'll play for a whole day, then it'll skip to the next playlist because, like I said, this is a full linear channel, and it's going to look exactly like a linear channel to your viewers. Now once I've selected those videos, I click on the continue button over here, and all of the videos I just selected are going to appear on this screen. So you'll see a full list of those videos along with the amount of time that they take up. Now getting back to what I said earlier was maybe you have an advertisement, a 30-second advertisement that you want to sprinkle throughout your broadcast. So you want to put it in different locations as a duplicate video. Now, rather than uploading that video multiple times and selecting it multiple times, you'll see over here there's a little plus button next to each video. So if we want to duplicate that video and have it play at multiple different points, this is what we do. So we can press the plus button once. We've now created multiple different copies of it for every click that we've made. And you'll see a little icon over here to indicate that that is a duplicate of that video. And we can drag and drop those videos to multiple different points in the broadcast, wherever we want them to play back. Back at the bottom, you'll see this total time again. So you'll see how much time the playlist is taking up. Now you're going to want to make that 24 hours. So this is a great way of doing that, is if you say you've got 23 and a half hours of content, you can go through all of the different videos here, and you can create duplicates of some videos. You can really just work with your playlist a little bit to make sure that it plays for the appropriate amount of time. Now once you've finished all that, you're going to press that Save and Finish button over here. You could go ahead and create some other schedule in advance, so you could go through all these different playlists and schedule them in advance. But right now we've got one playlist that's up and running, so this is going to be working, and this is going to be working properly. And you can use this View button over here to actually see this schedule that we just created. So once you've saved the playlist, you can click on this, and you're going to see all of the files and how they're scheduled to appear, along with the specific time when they're going to air. So for example, if you wanted to tell your viewers when a certain program is airing, or have some kind of a schedule on your website where folks can see when each of your programs is scheduled to go live, this is where you can generate that. Now the next thing that we can do over here is we can go back to the screen we were on previously if we want to see statistics. And over here you're going to see this player again. Now of course this is internally, so you're only going to see this through this system. If you want to publish this so that your viewers can see it, you want to add it to a website, you want to publish it within an application, this is the page where you're going to be able to do it. At the top over here, you're going to see a little iframe code. This is a small snippet of code, and basically what that does is if you insert this into your website anywhere, it's going to make that player appear on it. So basically any viewer that comes onto your web page where you've inserted this code is going to be able to watch your stream from any device. So this is device detecting. It's going to play back on Android, iOS. Just about any device is going to be able to watch this. Right below that, you have a streaming path. Now this is the direct link to this stream URL. So if you wanted to create your own embed code, you have a certain custom type of player that you want to use, or you have your own application for Android or some other type of device that you want to integrate this into, this would be the URL that you use. Now you don't have to worry about that if you have your applications with us. If we've developed your applications for you, you don't need this URL. We take care of all of that. Right below that, you've got a full suite of stats, so you're going to be able to see things like live viewers. You're going to have a total graph of viewers that's going to update in real time. So as people are watching your stream and coming to it, you're going to be able to see how those viewer transitions are happening. And you're going to have a variety of other stats on the screen, including bandwidth usage, total hits, all over different periods of time. You're going to be able to see exactly how many people are watching and tuning in at different times of the day. Really a lot of powerful statistics that are going to let you make scheduling decisions and adjust your programming to meet your viewers' time frames.